Honourable Kafilat Ogbara.
The day set aside to honor women's achievements, raise awareness about gender equality, and promote women's empowerment, advocating for their rights, and also raising awareness about existing inequalities.
Why women should keep depending on men. They are providers, but we need to have something in our pocket. Even if it's just to support the family.
There's nothing that is impossible. Erase impossibility away from your dictionary.
She believes so much in women empowerment. Not just women empowerment, but empowerment in general. It's a one-year journey, but what she's giving you is the foundation upon which you can now build your edifice.